Hello, fellow YouTubers. Today, we're diving into the world of privacy settings and exploring how to make your YouTube account more secure. Firstly, let's go to your account settings. Head over to your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and click on your name. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the screen and select Settings. Now, head over to Privacy, where you can control what others see when they visit your channel. Under Channel Privacy options, you can choose between Public, Unlisted, or Private. Public means anyone can see your channel, Unlisted means only those with a direct link can access it, and Private means only you can see it. This feature is essential for those wanting to share their videos with specific people or keep their content private. Remember, these settings apply to your entire channel. If you want to control who sees individual videos separately, make sure each video is set correctly under the visibility option while editing it. And there you have it. You now know how to make your YouTube block videos. But remember, privacy is a two-way street. Respect others' choices and always ask before sharing their content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of YouTube. Until next time, happy vlogging!